Welcome everyone. You're trying to download apps but it's not working. So the first solution is we're going to restart the iPhone. Regardless of the model, you're going to press and hold both the power and volume down together. And when we see the screen, we're going to slide the power off. We're then going to wait 30 seconds. We're then going to press and hold the power button. And we're going to keep it held down. When we see the Apple logo, we can release. Now I want you to try downloading again. If this works, great. If it doesn't work, you may have your mobile data blocking downloads. So to check this, I want you to open the settings, and we're going to head over to the homepage of settings, and I want you to go into cellular or mobile network. It will just be something like that. They change it every year. And in this menu, if your mobile data is on, I want you to turn it off and just make sure Wi-Fi is on, and then try to download again and see if it works. If you're still having problems, we're going to open the App Store. So we're going to open the App Store. We're going to head over to the Today view, and you should see your profile at the top. If you don't, just scroll until you see your Apple ID. And we're going to tap on the profile picture here. And we're going to scroll to the bottom. Keep on scrolling. And I just want you to sign out of your Apple account. So we're going to sign out. And then it will give you the option to sign back in. Sign back in. And then the applications should start downloading, no problem. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.